Hey guys, it is me again, Gaviota. Today I am back with another video. I know I'm on a roll lately and it feels awesome. So I'm going to show you guys how I get a messy curly bun with laid edges for beginners, because by no means am I a professional or am I extremely good at laying my edges, but I feel like I'm pretty decent at least. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and just stay tuned and keep on watching. The only thing that you're going to need in this video, well, the only few things, are obviously ponytails for your bun, Eco Styling Gel, which I find is like the best gel to lay your edges. It doesn't get crusty or anything. And a toothbrush that has hard bristles. I just use this Colgate one. I don't know, it was probably like $2. There's also like brushes that you can, like brushes made for laying your edges. I obviously don't have one. If not, I would have used it, but I am just like a beginner. I haven't been laying my edges for like years or whatever, so I haven't invested in a edge brush or edge laying brush, whatever you want to call it. So I have a toothbrush for now, and I feel like a lot of you guys at home probably have like a good gel or like a toothbrush that you could just use to lay your edges. And if you are just beginning, it's not that expensive to invest in the items that I have. Like this Eco Styling Gel is probably like $2 or $3 for this big jug, and it'll last you a while if you're not using it like on your whole hair or anything. So how I put my hair in a bun, I just literally like flip it over and grab the hair, and then I'm just going to twist it up like this and tie it around twice. That's how you get like the messy bun. And then I will just literally, okay, this does, sometimes it takes a few tries to get like the perfect messy bun. So I'm just going to flip it over again, and I'm just going to pick my hair up. I'm actually just going to tie around like the ponytail twice, that way it's still kind of loose. Sorry if you can't see, let me bend down. And then with this like ponytail you have here, I'm just going to kind of sweep all the hair into a bun. I'm sorry, did you guys see that? Let me start. Let me make sure you guys can see that. So I'm just going to sweep like the hair into a bun like this, and I'm just going to tie it around twice. Also, looser ponytails work better. That way it doesn't like make it that tight. Then you're just going to want to like fluff it up. It doesn't matter if like hairs are sticking out or curls. If you like that actually looks cuter. And then I just take out my side hairs, and then I like kind of pluck out some hairs. That way it's kind of messy. And I usually like wet them so the curl gets back in. So I'm just going to literally, I'm too lazy to get up, and I'm just going to pour like a little bit of water in my hands and just like re-wet them. That way they'll like bounce up to their natural state. Now to lay your edges, my favorite part. Like this is before, nothing special, just a messy bun. And now you're just gonna get your gel. I dip in my brush like that. I try not to get like too much the first time. And then I start with the middle, and you're just going, let me zoom you guys in actually. Hello. I'm just going to kind of sweep it in like this. And then as I'm sweeping, I'll just, oh my god, you can see my makeup. That's fine. And then you're just going to sweep it and press that sweep down. And then just kind of reblend your makeup. I usually lay my edges before my makeup, but I didn't this time. And then I'll just get some extra gel, and then I will put some gel there. That's the first one. Now for the sides, I usually like look where my arch is and go like above that, and then I'll just, oops, you're just going to lay it down and sweep it back. Keep in mind, it looks kind of, you can obviously see I have makeup in there. Sorry, but life's not perfect. And then I'll just go below that swoop and sweep it again. And then whatever hairs, I'll like either lay them down or I will brush them with the gel. And then there is that side. I do have bald spots. That's fine. And now for the other side, I'll zoom you guys out. This is what it looks like so far. And now I'm gonna do the other side. You always want to make sure you're kind of like it's even on both sides. And keep in mind, it looks way better before you do your makeup because you're obviously not getting any foundation or powder or anything in there, but and then I'll just kind of take the toothbrush with whatever product it has left and just do that. And then you still have time before the gel dries to make it even better if that's what you want. And that is how I lay my edges, kind of. Don't come for me in the comments. I'm not a professional, but this is beginner. This is like, I think it looks good. Don't clock me, I'm not the best, but it is like a beginner video. And this is my messy bun. I think it looks really cute. But yes, this was like a little bit of a quick video, but I hope you guys liked it, and let me know if I should make more hair videos, or like, I probably suck, but yeah, don't forget to subscribe down below, and if you have any tips, don't be too harsh on me, but if you have any more tips or like any other people that you know on YouTube that lay their edges really good that I can watch, just let me know. And yeah, see you guys in my next video.